Welcome the our channel. Today we how to enable Arweave storage with Bundlr for permanence step by step clearly. To enable Arweave storage with Bundlr for permanence, start by ensuring you have a Bundlr wallet set up. Visit the Bundlr website to create an account if you don't have one. Once your account is created, navigate to the wallet section. Connect your wallet by following the on-screen prompts. Make sure your wallet is funded with sufficient balance for transactions. After funding your wallet, go to the Bundlr dashboard. Select the option for Arweave from the available blockchains. Proceed to configure your Bundlr settings for Arweave. Choose the desired upload settings, such as file size limits and data options. Upload the files you want to store on Arweave through Bundlr. Monitor the upload progress in your dashboard. Once the upload is complete, check the transaction status. You should receive a confirmation message once the files are stored permanently. Note the transaction ID for future reference and verification. Your files are now securely stored on Arweave through Bundlr. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled Arweave storage with Bundlr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.